Hi, my name is Diane McSorley. I'm with ACS Learning and I'm here with a quick tip. These tips are under 2 minutes in length and are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Today's tip is how to open a recent browser tab with a keyboard shortcut. And maybe you've experienced this. I know it's happened to me. I've been working in my browsers and accidentally hit that X and close a tab that I want back so badly. Well, Control Shift T brings it back. Let's give this a shot. So here I have 2 tabs open and let's imagine I'm just coming over here to switch tabs, but I accidentally hit that X. Oh no, it's gone. Well, Control Shift T, and it's back like magic. I love this. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.